Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home. Welcome to my class. This is grade 4 math. In today's video, we'll learn the concept dividend, divisor and quotient. This is page number 65. Okay, this is our fifth chapter division. Okay, we learn the concept dividend, divisor and quotient. Okay, so division means equal sharing or equal grouping. Okay, I already said in definition, division means equal sharing or equal grouping. Example, the number of pencils were distributed equally among 11 girls is 88. Okay, so each girl gets 88 divided by 11 equals to 8 pencils. Okay, yes, each girl gets 88 divided by 11 equals to 8 pencils. How? See here. Okay, 88 divided by 11. So, 11 8s are 88. 88 minus 88, 0. So, 88 divided by 11 equals to 8. So, each girl gets 8 pencils. Okay, now you turn the page. Page number 66. Okay, page number 66. In a division sum, first point, the number to be divided is called the dividend. Okay, so the number to be divided is called the dividend. Okay, second point, the number by which we divide is called the divisor. Okay, the number by which we divide is called the divisor. Okay, third point, the answer we get is called the quotient. Okay, the answer we get is called the quotient. Okay, so see here, 88 divided by 11 equals to 8. Okay, this 88 is dividend. Okay, 11 is divisor and this 8 is quotient. Okay, let us now divide 152 paper sheet among 6 typists. Okay, so 152 divided by 6. Okay, so 152 divided by 6. Okay, so let us take two numbers. So 6 2s are 12. Okay, 6 2s are 12. Okay, 15 minus 12 is 3. Okay, so here I am considering 2 down. Okay, 32. Now it's become 32. Okay, so in 6, 32 will come. No, 6 5s are 30. So 30. 32 minus 30 is 2. Okay, what is this 2? This 2 is remainder. Okay, 152 is dividend, 25 that is quotient and 6 is divisor. So the number left over after dividing is called the remainder. Okay, in the above problem the remainder is 2. Yes or not? Yes. So remainder is 2. That is 2 paper sheets are left over. Okay, so how many paper sheets are left over? 2 paper sheets are left over. Okay, small numbers can be divided easily. Large numbers are divided by the long division method. Okay, small numbers can be divided easily. So these are small numbers, so we can divide easily. But large numbers are divided by the long division method. Okay, large numbers divided by long division method. Okay, so this is the concept dividend, divisor as well as quotient. Let us learn the properties of division. Okay, here is the first property, dividing by 1. Okay, when we divide any number by 1, the quotient is the dividend itself. Okay, here is the example, 8 divided by 1 equals to 8 itself. Okay, when we divide any number by 1, the quotient is the dividend itself. Okay, so 8 divided 1 equals to 8. So this is the dividend, 8 is dividend here and 1 is divisor and this 8 is quotient. So when we divide any number, okay, whenever we divide any number by 1, okay, so the quotient is the dividend itself. So this is the quotient. Similar dividend is this only. Okay, so the quotient is the dividend itself. Okay, we will get dividend as well quotient same. Next, 56 divided by 1 equals to 56 itself. Okay, 148 divided by 1 equals to 148. 4096 divided by 1 equals to 4096 only. Okay, this is the first property. Second property, dividing a number by itself. Dividing a number by itself. When the dividend and the divisor are the same, the quotient is always 1. Okay, dividing by a number itself. Okay, when the dividend and the divisor are same, the quotient is always 1. See here. Here dividend as well as divisor are same. So we will get quotient as 1. 5 divided by 5 equals to 1. 55 divided by 55 equals to 1. 444 divided by 444 equals to 1. Okay, 3375 divided by 3375. Our quotient is always 1. Okay, so this is the second property. Third property, dividing a number by 0. Okay, when the divisor is 0, no division take place. Okay, when the divisor is 0, no division take place. Example, there are 9 slices of pizza and 0 children. Okay, with whom can the pizza be shared? It is not possible. Yes or not? Yes. Okay, there are 9 slices of pizza, but there is no one to share. Okay, so 9 divided by 0. Okay, here we can say that 9 divided by 0. So it's not possible. In other words, we can say that division of any number by 0 is not possible. Okay, division of any number by 0 is not possible. So this is our third property. Let us do the fourth property. Okay, dividing 0 by a number. Okay, dividing 0 by a number. When the dividend is 0, the quotient is also 0. Yes or not? Yes. When the dividend is 0, the quotient is also 0. Example, there are 0 toffees and 9 children. Okay, here 0 toffees divided by 9 children. There is nothing to share. So 0 divided by 9 equals to 0. Similarly, 0 divided by 16 equals to 0. And 0 divided by 258 equals to 0. Okay. So this is the properties of division. How many properties we have discussed? We have discussed 4 properties. First property is dividing by 1. Second is dividing a number by itself. Third is dividing a number by 0. And fourth is dividing 0 by a number. Okay. In the next class, I will start exercise 5.1. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.